Government has sealed a deal with Stanbic Bank that involves providing funding as well as technical training of entrepreneurs in manufacturing and agribusiness. Area Governor Muriithi Ndiritu says the collaboration will help empower residents with digital skills.
The deal between Laikipia County Government and Stanbic Bank will see residents getting digital training in governance and entrepreneurship with a target of creating at least 8,000 jobs annually.
We are supporting around 1,400 small businesses in the Laikipia Innovation and Enterprise Program. We are particularly interested in manufacturing as well as irrigated agriculture. We are supporting these businesses with access to markets, supporting them with engineering.
Competencies that are required to do their jobs. Secondly, in terms of opening marketing opportunities for them to create new markets and grow their businesses. And then thirdly, provide financing.
The lender also, through the Microsoft and Africa Center for Women in ICT, hopes to reach women, youth and different abled persons to help them access markets for their wares as well as entrepreneurship training.
We want to focus on training the youth in terms of giving them skills that are required. Secondly, training the women in terms of what is required, and then also focusing on SMEs in particular and cooperatives and agriculture.
Under the partnership, the lender will finance businesses in ICT, renewable energy, environment, livestock production, and crop development. For Prime Edition, I'm Brian Munywoki.